Hi guys, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to try another viral contouring hack. This hack just involves contouring your face in a specific way and then applying the foundation on the rest of the exposed areas. So I'm very excited to see how it works because this one looked really nice and I think it will suit my face. I have a really chubby but structured face. So yeah, let's see if it can make it look more slimmer and all of that stuff. But I would definitely like to say that with these kind of hacks, it's not necessary that it will suit every face structure. So you know, it's just a trial and error sort of a thing. I really hope it works because it looks very fascinating. So yeah, now let's just get started with the video. So to prep my skin, I'm going to use the Bellora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer, applying the illuminating moisturizer for a nice glow. And for my primer, I'm going to use the Sugar's Most Eligible Primer. I'm just applying the primer on my T-zone to mattify my face and avoid any greasiness. Now to contour my face, I'm not going to use a concealer, but instead I'm going to use a foundation because this one is more liquidy. Thus it will not stay immediately and I could do my concealer and foundation meanwhile. I mean, it would just help me in blending better. By the way, this is in the shade 185p Deep from K-Beauty. So yeah, this is going to be my contour. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Light. So yeah, these are the products that I'll be using today. So let's apply our contour first. I'm just going to take it on a brush and you have to apply it like so. And then take it down like this. In this, you're not contouring your entire jawline, which I would have preferred, but yeah, that's okay. And then also you have to contour your nose, and then you have to apply the foundation on the rest of your areas. So I'm going to first apply it here. Now after that, I'm just going to take my concealer and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. And now we need to be very patient and we are going to blend it all in. So I'm first going to start with blending my contour. I think I'll just reactivate all of this, and this is the Miss Clear Matte Finishing Setting Spray. I would say that it blended it quite easily. That's maybe because I used more creamy products and also maybe because I reactivated the product. So this is how my face looks after all of that blending. It has given a nice natural structure to my face. I will tell you a few visible differences. So first of all, I just stopped my contouring somewhere right here, and also it's a little, you know, above my cheekbones and not like on my cheekbones. So yeah, that's one difference. And secondly, as I said, I usually stop here, so you know, when I'm taking it here, so it has given more structure to my chin area. However, as I said, I would have preferred applying some contour on my jawline to, you know, cut that double chin. About my forehead, of course, I also contour my forehead. I have a big forehead, and this one looks really nice. My nose contour doesn't look like I have just, you know, gotten some plastic surgery done. It again looks very natural to me. I would definitely try this contouring hack again with just a little bit of tweaking. Like I would apply some contour on my jawline and some highlighting concealer near my mouth as well. Again, this might not suit every face structure, so you might want to do a little bit of tweaking. But yeah, now I'll just do all of my face and come right back to show you the final results. So this is how my face looks like after I have finished my makeup. Also, it's going to rain, so it has turned a lot gloomy, so please don't mind that. I mean, it really gives your face that fish face sort of a structure, like that sort of a structure. I'll just put in a before and after. I think I will rate this one 9 out of 10 for my face shape. I deducted a star because I think that if you do not use creamy enough products on your face, then you will have a tough time blending it. Also, this hack definitely needs some patience. That was all. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure you give this video a like, and if you want me to try more such hacks, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.